Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you guys how you can put a background in your green screen video. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna show you if you don't know how. I'm gonna use Sony Vegas 14. It works on the newer versions and some older versions. I don't know about 10 or lower than that. I definitely know it's on 11 and 12. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get your background, which could be an image or video. I'm gonna use an image. It's just my Chrome tab basically. So and then you want to take your green screen clip. Now the problem is that the green, like, you can't see the background. So the way you have to do this is go on video effects and click on chroma key here, and you're just going to click on default, and you see the color, and you don't know what color it could be different. So you want to click on the eyedropper tool or whatever it's called, and you want to click on the green, and boom, and now the green screen's gone. Now you can change the threshold. I'm just gonna keep it as normal. It might look a little green. I think that's green, but that's because now green screen's all perfect basically. And this is not taking on a green screen. This is just some random video I just searched up on YouTube. So yeah, now if we play it, try it out and see if it's good or not. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe. Social media links are in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.